Anyway, you can see it's burning real good. Regular bonfire out here. Never seen anything like this in 18 years. I wonder what happened there. And they're still trying to get their hoses going. Oh yes, you gotta love these modern fire departments. The door fell off. Cab is fully involved. It's caving in. Reefer units now. Reefer units still running. Oh, lovely. That fuel tank on that reefer could end up blowing up. Now the air tanks are letting go, I guess. Yeah, I guess that's the air tanks. Here comes more fire units. That was definitely an air tank, or a fuel tank. I don't care which. Guy, eesh.